In this video, I will show you how to change order of Instagram photos after posting Carousel. To get started, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and then click on this plus icon at the bottom middle of your screen. Select the photos that you want to create a image carousel for. Simply select multiple and then click on this next button at the top right of your screen to proceed with the next step. So in here, you can go ahead and rearrange the order of photos of how you want to make these photos appear on your carousel. So as you can see, you can do that and then hit on the next button to proceed on posting this image carousel into your Instagram account. So you can go ahead and incorporate a caption if you want to, and then click on the share button to proceed on posting these photos. Now wait for these photos to get uploaded on Instagram. So once I reload my account, that will pop here. So if you want to rearrange the order of your Instagram photos that you've created as an image carousel, you need to click on that on your profile and then click on the three dots at the top right of that post. Click on edit, and as you can see in here, you can go ahead and remove a photo from the carousel, but there is no way for you to uh, rearrange the order of photos, only to delete a photo or incorporate a tag or alt text to your images. And then click on the check icon at the top right to save the changes that you've made with this image carousel. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.